In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MediBang Paint app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store. You will find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will bring you into the vast world of apps available for your device. The Play Store is essential because it ensures you are downloading apps that are safe and verified by Google. Once you tap the icon, the interface will load, displaying various categories and featured apps. This is your gateway to finding and downloading MediBang Paint. Next, tap the search bar. The search bar is typically located at the top of the screen, making it easy to locate. When you tap on it, a keyboard will appear, allowing you to enter your search term. This is an important step because using the search function helps you quickly find the specific app you want rather than scrolling through countless options. After tapping the search bar, you will see a blinking cursor indicating that you can start typing. Now, type MediBang Paint. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature can help you find the app faster. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure accurate results. MediBang Paint is a popular application for artists, so it should appear at the top of the list if you have entered the name correctly. After typing it in, look closely to confirm the app is the one you want. From there, select MediBang Paint, Draw Art, Comic by MediBang Inc. This is the official version created by the developers themselves. Selecting the correct app is crucial because there are many similar apps available. You will know you are choosing the right one when you see the unique logo, which typically features colorful graphics. Tapping on this will take you to the app's page, where you can learn more about its features before downloading. Next, tap Install. This button is usually green and prominently displayed. By tapping Install, you are initiating the download and installation process. This step is vital as it allows the app to be added to your device. After you tap Install, you may see a progress bar indicating the download status. This visual feedback is reassuring as it tells you that the installation is underway. After that, wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. During this time, you can see the progress, which helps manage your expectations. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app. This step is crucial as it confirms that the app is ready for use on your device. At this point, tap Open. This button will take you directly into the MediBang Paint app. Opening the app immediately after installation is a great way to dive right into your creative process. You will see the app's interface, which is designed to be user-friendly. This initial access allows you to explore the features and tools that MediBang Paint offers. With that ready, sign into your MediBang account if you have one. This step is optional, but it is highly recommended. Signing in allows you to sync your work across devices, ensuring that you do not lose any progress. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily. This little step saves you a lot of time later by keeping your artwork accessible wherever you go. Finally, start creating drawings, illustrations, or comics. Once you are inside the app, you will have access to a variety of tools and features designed for artists. This is where the fun begins. You can explore brushes, layers, and colors to bring your ideas to life. Enjoy the creative process as MediBang Paint is versatile and user-friendly.